Yes, so good morning, everyone. And today, in the on a topic called the education, which is recently in that, our Indian government has decided to introduce the native languages into our professional courses, and to go on a debate here, Mr. Narendra and Amit. So let's go with that. Whereas Mr. Narendra will give his opinion against that, like why it's not useful, whereas me, I'll go with why it's useful. So let's have a start on that.
Good morning.
Yeah. So yeah, very good morning. Yes.
So it's
So
a very good topic, and it's just related to current scenario of political and also it debate going on in parliament also. So in my opinion, mother phonetic is keeping India a poor country. Every good family, rich family, or upgraded to uh, middle between higher family, all they are want to uh, just join his kids in English medium only. And around us, uh, when he just search the literate people, or those people who just achieve his goal, we find that time everyone go through the English medium school. And those have little kids, they want to uh, just got admission in English medium school. Either he is rich person or poor person, it's not matter. Everyone want to send his kids in English medium school. Why? And nobody want to send him his kids in government school. Even government teacher who engaged uh, entire year with his job in his school, but in the morning he first send his kids in another school, in public school, then he reached at government school. Government school means in a present scenario only for the poor peoples, not for the uh, middle class, and don't think about never about the richest people. So it's a common perception. If anyone sending his kids in government school, it means he is fighting with his livelihood. Even vegetable shopkeeper, rickshaw puller, everyone want to send him his kids in private school as per his desire. And entire life he is fighting with the school fees. During the pandemic, we met ample of Khomchawala and Rediwala people. They feel very sad, uh, and I asked asked to him, uh, what are what's about the your kids' school during the lockdown? He replied that time, it's very difficult to send the kids in schools due to we have we haven't any type of a livelihood or a source of income, so we just stopped the school, and almost my kids have dropped out from the school. uh, Reason behind it that those people wants only public schools. From the beginning, he sent his kids in English medium school. Then how can he jump from where to government school? In another aspect, if we talk about the higher education, if you are doing engineering, IT field, MBBS field, I don't think about the in MBBS field there is option in Hindi. So if you are doing MBBS in as a surgeon, then how can great surgeon, a learner surgeon, or your tutor, is it possible they can learn in Hindi or regional language? It's impossible. In pandemic, everyone has taken the class and seminar, everything by the online through the international platform or
Let
national.
me, sorry to interrupt, Mr. Narendra, but let me quote few points here. Okay, so let's start with your beginning points. As you said, like everyone, they want to send their kids into the private schools, so called, and now the scenario is changing. So obviously, but one thing is quite good. If you could see the government schools in Delhi, the government schools in Chandigarh, where you will not find even a single school in Chandigarh which will be in the uh, in city, and those schools are named after model schools where they have all the availabilities that a private school can accommodate at a cost like very less or even not even, or at the same time each and every parent they can bear the things, whereas as you say, that everyone they want to send their kids to their private school, but when compared to the educational factor, to what extent the private teachers are well qualified than the government teachers, because you might have seen, to get a government job it's not an easy task. Obviously you have to have a B.Ed degree and whatnot, and they are selected on the basis of their merit. So one good thing is that these teachers they are well qualified and even they can teach. The other factor that only that is in the mind of the people, that okay, if my child is going to a government school, so whether he or she may not learn the things appropriately. That's a myth, if you ask, because the days are gone when we see even in US people, even the like a kid of a president or even the higher authority, whether he is a secretary or whatsoever, when he goes to a government school. Whereas in India, the situation is changing. At the same time, like what we could see here is, if we can have the examples like the great scientist of our India called APJ Abdul Kalam, even far greater than him, who was a Nobel Prize winner, Sir C.V. Raman, who's also a physicist. So these people, even they had their education in their medium, so-called the Tamil, and their native language, so-called the Hindi, Bangla, and many, even J.C. Bose. So what I could say by giving such examples, even there are many more examples that I can quote as the debate will pass on. So, all these people, they learned, even the a person who made the supercomputer, he studied till +2 in his Marathi medium. Okay, but as you said that okay, all the professional courses are available. So what it helped him is that only his Marathi medium has helped, or even his Tamil or his native language has helped him to achieve all these things. Even the so-called the great Prime Minister of India, so-called Lal Bahadur Shastri, he even studied in his own medium. So there are many examples that we quote, and that we can go ahead with the same. And so-called Mr. Narendra Modi, he has not been to any international school, but he has gained the popularity across the world. And in a row, there are many that we
I am
can.
not talking about the
Whereas,
popularity. It's
okay,
a
okay, okay,
different thing. I am talking about the school.
yes. Let's come to next school. That is, I
Bandit
think.
Queen, she has an ample popularity.
Okay, so that's okay. So what about the Jawahar Navodaya? And I think you might be aware of
No, no.
Jawahar Navodaya.
Day to day, it's deteriorated up to the
Okay,
ground level right now.
and oh, Jawahar
And
Navodaya
earlier
and
just earlier you told me so quality of teacher about the
yes,
government teacher. I agreed on that point.
Mhm.
There is no issues about the quality of teachers
Mhm.
because the system of filtration in appointment of government teacher, it's marvelous. No, not issue. Issue is that ratio of teacher in private schools in English paper they have enough number of teacher. In science, math, they have enough teacher according to the number of student. But in government school, I know about the Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. Also, I have read in early days. Entire school running by single teacher. One man show in entire school. On the approx more than 500 student, and they hire uh, contractual teacher from the village areas. So if they absent due to his personal reason, genuine reason, that day almost school shut down. So this is the percentage of government school scenarios. It's a not issue only in Jharkhand. It's a issue of Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. You told me about the Chandigarh model school. You go and search in the Chandigarh how many international school and how many students present in that schools, and just you can solve out the average of the student, and similarly you just draw the percentage of government school, number of teacher, number of student. That time you find everything is only I was. So it's look and seems very good model school, but when you enter in the school, there is no enough ample lab for the chemistry, bio, and physics. There is no upgraded playground. There is no any language lab. Without language lab, no one can improvise himself because it's a matter of competition. You want to just touch the sky. It means to you need to how to fly. You need to must know about the flying. But in that school, engage in only midday meal. The teacher have extra responsibility to purchase and arrange the rice. Teacher has extra responsibility to arrange the vegetable for khichdi. An entire school every day it's an extra and mandatory curriculum to distribute the khichdi between the student. He has no extra manpower, only single rasoia in 1,000 rupees monthly pay. This is the environment of government school, entire the nation. In flood time, teacher just trying to anyhow just reach the school, and that time percentage of dropout student increased gradually more than 90% because that time students family fighting with the livelihood. They had no option. They reached on the top places due to flood. Then how can he reach the school? So there is many issues with the government school on the ground level, but people only uh, I don't think today's generation visited the any government school. They only saw the structure from the outside on the road. Where if they moving here to there. So this is the scenario. If you just visit the higher education institutions like Amity, JP Institute, and any average institute, that time you find marvelous gate, good sunglasses, styles, huge building, smart, young teachers, young ladies teacher, gents teacher. So they attract more and more within the students, and they want to noodles in the canteen. But in government college canteen, it's not up to the mark, and everybody can't get the admission in triple IT, IIT, and IIM. I am talking about the average student only, because number of average student simultaneously huge, because those student has extra talent. They have never struggled with the admission and those things. After that ratio and number, those guys always burden for the society, always responsibility for the government. But government has done only one thing. They just distributed the certification and affiliation number of colleges for the running the college anyhow. Result is that we have lakhs number, billion number of B.Ed teachers, B.Ed qualified persons, NET qualified persons, TET qualified person, CTET qualified person, but they have no job. Reason is that government job is limited, and private school never wants B.Ed and TET and CTET teachers. They want MBA guys, because due to unemployment, number of youths sacrifice his goal and he wants only employment, and then he joined any school. And right now they are joining. They are ready to join in 20,000, 25,000, and they serve the private schools. So this is the difference between the old unfashionable teachers, orthodox teacher, and young guys. Those have age just they touched 30, 28, 25. They have new techniques. They have new phonetics. They have new vocabulary. They have new dictionary from the uh, particular subject. So this is the difference between the young and old guys. I mean to say private organization and government organization. So
Yes.
it means no need to just remove the government school, need to upgrade the school. It's
Obviously,
possible.
as you listen. So obviously, and even our topic would be it as a bit we have debated from that as we came to the government
And
thing.
need
And
to in some states in Jharkhand also, they want to mandatory and compulsory English from the nursery class, and second language they will keep uh, Khotta, Ho, Hindi, Bengali, Uriya, anyone. But I think it will good step if government allow the school, and after that scenario will change completely. Otherwise, it's worthless, in my opinion. In Hindi medium school, if runs in our state, and the parents suddenly got a transfer letter uh, from his own nation, and they went if Kerala, they faced no ample of a problem. Those people knows only English, and they transferred Kerala, and they joined the Malayali school. Then you can understand what's the problem they have faced. I know those people. So it's a very difficult and a Herculean task to maintain the language problem. So it's better to just announce the global language as the English, Commercial global language, you can just announce it, and mother tongue is Hindi, mother tongue is Malayali, Kerala, anyone. But it's mandatory to just announce the global language as a English. Without English, no one can survive. If you want to respectful life, then you need to learn better English, not better up to the mark English. Otherwise, you always whole life you will struggle with the language, with the good articles, with the good uh, journals. If you want to become good IT engineer, then you need to learn more and more IT fields, good journals and books. Those books written in French, those books written in a Chinese language, but you those books available in translated version only in English. Is it possible those books converted in Telugu? Worthless effort. So, have you seen any laptop? They are written in Telugu symbols, Malayali symbols, Haryanvi symbols. It's impossible things. Uh, you have seen the Google Meet option in Hindi? Have you
See,
seen?
I do listen. So as I was going through quite
So
good things as
photo,
you
you
explained.
you told me your video not correct and it's blur. So do you define in Hindi? In
See,
Hindi you
obviously,
say
uh,
video.
uh, obviously, like it might be like the terminologies and the language has become a global. So it's not that even genau we are using, which is a German word, and at the same time, like there are many words that we are using here and there. So it's language is not a matter that exactly you have to speak the pure language, even when it comes to English. So to what extent do you agree that you're speaking the pure English? No, it's only the 3 to 4% of the UK people who speak, and even not yeah, in the whole world 3 to 4%, and there is a place in UK only they speak. So it's not that if you're speaking in English, so you're going with the right accent and you are
No,
going
no,
with a
no.
particular. And yes, obviously,
Every in entire world, every country trying to spread the English everywhere. In China,
obviously
Canada,
that's so
Malaysia,
sure.
Pakistan,
So
even.
yes, so every country they are trying, and when it comes to India, so in India, obviously, as you have raised the point of the government bodies, the government schools, the government educationals, and other things. Whereas, let's have a look on the government bodies. As you said that the government schools they are not good. That's okay. I do agree. But why the people they used to have a dream, like even a son of like a richest person, he wants to enroll his son into an IIT or IIMs. Why? The reason behind that, even though that's a government institute, even though they're run by like different faculties from the government bodies, but what they serve is far better than. And even there is a thought that goes around the world that is like uh, from everywhere. From Saudi Arabia we export oil, like the USA it says, and from other places they export some sorry, they import something, whereas from India they import like they used to have the IITians. So that is the value of our government body. Whereas when it comes to the language, let's say, so if from the beginning onwards at your home, for example, if your kid is speaking in Hindi, for example, at the beginning, from the beginning, let's say, and all of a sudden if you can introduce him with and even as some foreign language, okay, which he is not aware of, and even you are not speaking that particular language at the home, and moreover he is compatible and he is flexible with the so-called the Hindi. Whereas if he gets stuck in between any particular problem, so do you know that does he think that particular problem in terms of English? Not at all. Because, and it's a psychology that says that anyone who stucks in a problem and anyone who wants to solve their problem, they always go with their mother tongue. Even during a sleep, if you like if someone disturb you, so obviously you will reply in your mother tongue regardless of how many languages you know. So as I say that to come to any problem, even the English
No.
speakers, the native speakers.
I never said that we need to left our mother tongue. I love my mother tongue,
Okay,
but
yes.
on the business purpose, on the
Hmm.
global fundamental, global platform, if I want to humdinger in my profession, that time we need to learn the journal of prominent persons. Every eminent person written his journals in English. It's a hard truth. Then why not we make our language in fusions? We need to learn
Uh,
hardest.
see, obviously, like there's a adjust like effort we are keeping, and we are trying to learn something new. But let me put you one more fact, that okay, anyhow, like the Hindi is not so popular across the world, whereas there is something called Sanskrit. I think you are aware of this language. Even Sanskrit is not something that came from somewhere, whereas all the supercomputers, all the things, and even though like
I
even the
agree.
Sanskrit
I
is a
agree.
native
Every
language of some
yeah,
particular,
yeah, yeah.
and I don't say, yeah, I don't say that we have to have Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil as their own language, obviously. But if you can have a like grasp, or if you can have command on at least 4 to 5 languages, and
Just,
that
just,
are your
just,
regional
just,
language.
just. For
Hmm.
example,
Okay.
we need to just upgrade. Just need to shift. Just like ancient time, we are riding cycle. After
Hmm.
that, we upgraded with two-wheeler. Now everyone has, as per his desire, four-wheeler. In ancient days, we have only transistor, radio. Now upgraded with TV, LCD, and right now many things. But importance of bicycle today is also respected due to health and due to economical reason. Importance of radio not less than TV today is also in metro due to FM and his network and satellite power. Simultaneously, I want to similar thing in English also. Our native and our mother tongue has extra power and affection with each to every person. But you got extra mileage, extra mobile in your gear, that is called English, then you charge more and more. So time has to come. We need to announce the English as a mother tongue for commercial purpose, not for our affection, not for our nation, not for our soil. So
Okay.
everyone want to connect with soil. So that time we need to respect our mother tongue. But when I want to, for the listen, every person want to live in his native place with his soil, with his family, with his
Hmm.
surrounding and atmosphere. But for the livelihood, everyone need to left his village, left his house, left his parents for the better, bright future. So uh, I moved to Hyderabad for the good study and betterment in life I want that time. So I never learned Telugu, Tamil, but I survived there with my English, with my Hindi. But if I don't know that time English, only know Hindi, then how can I survive? How can I talk to my landlord? How can I talk to shopkeepers? It will very Herculean. I know I came Hyderabad only for few months, few years. No need to worry about the language because if I learn Telugu till the end, I just shifted my village back to Jharkhand. Then no use of that language after the return of northern India. So,
Okay.
but
So let me put, as you said that English is the only language that can lead to the professional careers and that can take you to the ladders of success. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what about the people who are across in like across the world? For example, German. Okay. So Germans, when we take to the publication of the research papers, out of 100%, almost 30 to 40%, even more than that, okay, are published in German language. Whereas that their
And
technology is regarded
and
as one of the best
you,
technology.
yeah, yeah, I know, German paper translated only in English, each and every paper. Why?
No, like in various language, it can be translated into, like, if
No,
you
no, no,
want,
no,
you
no.
can
In
just translate
globally,
into French,
you
into
just
Russian,
you
into
just
English.
no, no, translated in Telugu. You can translate it. It's not
Hmm.
issue. But German publishers translate into English. After that, French publishers concerned them. By default, they translate in English. By default, in German for German people. After that, they want to global market. They want to recognition from entire the world. Everyone want to recognition. That's why Shahrukh Khan translated him and dubbing his movie in every language. Chinese in China also you can see the Shahrukh movie. So everyone want platform. It's not a matter journal in which language written by anyone. It's a matter
Yes.
if
So this is
they
what I
no,
want
no,
to
no,
mention,
no.
that
Let me
English is
complete
not
first.
the only
No, no,
way.
no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Okay.
Let me
Go ahead.
complete first.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
not
Yeah.
a matter of language. If
Hmm.
any one person written anything in his mother tongue, and
Mhm.
that write-up will success, and everyone one day they want to read due to his versatile write-up or intelligence he shows in his write-up, that they need to translate in English. Otherwise, it will become just like a well.
Hmm. Uh,
So,
that's true, as you say.
yeah.
But from where the ideas they generate? Obviously, in their mother tongue. Do you agree with this?
No, no,
Like,
no.
whosoever the author, let's say the German, French, or the Japanese or the Russian. So what they do, even the Russians are regarded as one of the best coder in the IT, best coder in the world, and they have their own language.
Yeah, yeah, I
Does
agree. You need
so?
to think. You think in your mother tongue. You think your in your language. But that time you need to just recollect the things in a paper. That time you have to write in English.
No
You
need of
think
writing. There are listen. There are many things which are available, that text to speech. Okay, sorry, speech to text. Let's say if I speak in Telugu, automatically the things
no,
will
no.
be translated into English.
Only 40%, 60% wrong approach,
Okay,
because writing
and
is a matter of
whereas
action also.
yeah. So listen. So whereas, like, if I have very sound idea, for example, any business idea, if I have, and definitely I will try to think all the things in terms of, let's say, the Ramdev product. So the CEO of the Ramdev, Mr. Balkrishna. So he has never been to any so-called Amity or so-called any Stanford or Oxford, but they are competing with the FMCG. I think you are quite aware of that. So those brands, and they are very quick decision makers. Okay.
Let me say.
So
They
what
are
what I
they
mean
are
to
they are
say is
they are
that,
they are not eminent person. They are serving. If Patanjali product not launched, we nothing lose. Nothing.
see,
We
so
we
I'm
have
not saying,
option of
yeah.
Chyawanprash, we have option of atta, we have option of
Mhm.
mustard oil. I am only talking about the intellectual person. Those people who has written thesis, those people written in formula, those people written in Java type book. I am not talking about the Ramdev Baba Patanjali products.
See, as you say the books which are written. So what about the ancient language that has been like still there have propounded theory like
So
the Aryabhatta,
we are
even
struggling
the
from
Nalanda University we
in
had.
Jharkhand ancient days every paper of related to the, land those has
Mm,
written in Kathi language Kathi, no one can read
mhm,
out. So after that what happened, circle officer and some Karmchari mixed together and just nullified the papers due to Kathy only. If they had written in English, so no one can uh, do like that. So we need to just write in English and promote English everywhere. Without English, no one can exist. Because if you start anything in your mobile, just on it, you have option in English, Hindi, but you can't run the mobile with Hindi text, Hindi language. So everywhere you need to, uh, if you don't know English, then you need to fight with the language everywhere, and you can't achieve your goal with only with Hindi, original language. So if you
see,
want to go abroad,
most of the time, see, most of the time, what we concern at the end, we just only and only our concern used to be that okay, to what extent you are successful, is it? Like the success factor, it matters.
if
Whether you
uh,
come from Hindi
you
belt,
just
Tamil belt, Bengali
you
belt,
you just pick
what's
the
it?
you just picked the book of Gitanjali of Rabindra Tagore, and just look out in Hindi and English both. You got the answer. Huge differences between the translation. So
Obviously, that's what I'm saying. The essence is missing.
yeah.
The
So
essence will obviously miss if we'll try
yeah.
to translate
So
into
need to just
Bangla
start
to
in English
English.
only. No need to translation.
And
If entire the
see,
world know English, then no need to translation. People
so
are wasting his time.
but Mr. Tagore, he has written most of his things in his Bangla. See, like okay, and if you can go with the other text, let's say Sanskrit, okay, and still people they are struggling to read the Vedas because there is ample amount of knowledge which is in Sanskrit, okay, and even the supercomputers and many things, as I told you earlier, they are just trying to learn. And even with the scientific factor it has, I don't say that only you have to learn Hindi, Telugu, Punjabi, Marathi, something, okay, if you can have some language as a scientific, so you need to promote and you need to understand and you have to go with that, is it? And it doesn't mean that if you have only English, so English will be the successful factor and to English may lead you to have something in your life. No, let's say if the Chinese people, if you see, so they have, like, they are far better than the any other English speaking country as uh, in terms of their GDP. In terms of Japan, let's say, so they go with the Japanese, okay, and they have the fastest bullet train. They have many equipments that even the English speaking countries they don't have. Even the Korean. So Korea, the Samsung, obviously you are aware of. The Japan, you are aware of the Suzuki and the many more brands. They are yet in a queue. Even the French, even everyone they want to go to France as a to have a visit. And moreover the Russia, where the education is to an extent and they have their own culture, they have the best coders, they have the best mathematicians. So when compared to all this, the English speaking belt, what they are doing is the translation part, and translation will not serve to an extent because it is just a copying the things into one language into other, is it? So
Yeah.
just merely learning a language of English can't serve your purpose. It's always the ideas that comes to your mind. Even the so-called the Sundar Pichai, who is from our India, even though he's speaking in English, but all his ideas he used to generate. Even the best mathematician of our India called the Ramanujan, he generated all his ideas in his mother tongue. Even probably it might be Tamil. Even I was not aware of. And even more than that, the so-called Einstein, even though we or you, everyone, they see him as an English speaker, but actually he's the native of German. If you can see his history. So all the, like everyone, those who, even the Nicholas Tesla, as we regard him as one of the English person, but he was not English person. Uh, he was again from somewhere in European country. Okay. So what I mean to say that only English can't. English is a medium through which you can spread your knowledge, but all the ideas, whatever you generate, so all those things can help you to go ahead. Whereas if you say, okay, only the English can lead me to the ladder of success, and English can make me rich, or English can make me this, so that's not only the thing. Obviously, the sounds and the book called thing how yeah how sorry, You Can Win by Shiv Khera, even he said, and even the Think and Grow Rich, it says that ideas are those that can make you rich, and it's only the sound ideas. It's not that only a language can make you rich. If that is a factor, so every English speaker who is working in the McD or KFC, they can become so rich that
But you got the opportunity on the big platform. That time you speak products, and
mm,
when you realize that you just missed something. If you have ample knowledge of English, then you
mhm,
faced the things with the in your jail with your jail full potential, and you shows your views with front of the entire prominent persons. When if you have lack of knowledge about the language like English, then you can't explore yourself easily, and you can't open your arm for anyone, because that time you feel shy. So in your subconscious mind, something running out. If someone asked me in good English, that time I need to keep quiet. That time everyone
no,
realized that,
no need of shy, no need
yeah,
of
yeah,
shy. Let me
yeah,
tell
yeah.
you.
So if you are
Okay, yeah.
doing better in your field, in fashion technology, if you are architect, then if you are want to surf it in your business, in your field, that time you need to learn more and more things, and you need to present your uh, things and your project in your assessment, your views, your opinion, and number of people. Then you need to only one language, that is English. So there is
Okay.
no
See,
option.
as you say,
So
so it's only the
English,
matter of
you
India.
always, if you have lack of knowledge, then you always subjugated by the people, and you forced to uh, matter of sight.
See, so it's in the India, the people they have made this. Whereas if you just go to, let's say, UNO, United Nation Organization,
Yeah.
where there are, as of now, there are 5 permanent bodies, and they all speak in their own language, and they don't feel shy. Again, I'm coming to the same point
No, no,
of
no, no.
speaking the Spanish,
It's a matter.
Mandarin. Yes. So
It's depend to person. Yeah.
it's
Where
only the psychological fact.
relevant people always feel shy.
See, so uh, that's the shy feeling. If you just keep it aside, so always
And if you want to stringent yourself within the wall, then no need to learn new things.
see, I won't say that English is only the medium, and it's not that you have to be so fluency in English. No, if you can express the things in the form of, let's say,
These tenacious effort and approach pushing us in a backward field and
see,
approach.
as you say, once again, let's come back to the Sanskritization of the thing. Whereas, still if you'll go to UK, in which language they do their prayer, let it about India. They do their prayers
So,
in Sanskrit.
are you agreed?
Okay.
English person taught it everywhere.
Sorry, English person.
English person, those people knows English very well. They taught
Hmm.
it around anywhere.
See, as you say, that's to an extent it might be correct, and obviously I say that okay, English is spoken everywhere across the world, and then any other language, let's say. Whereas it's always the ideas they generate. Whereas about the success, always at the end we see the success rate. It's
Okay.
not that what you know, what you achieve, that it matters at the end of the day, and. Whereas, let's say, if you can compare the people across the world, and even if, for example, let's say your job. So, how many English speakers are getting the central job or the government job in India, for example? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, yeah, ample of people on the group A. So,
See, so
so
they are
time
not.
has to come. You accept the veracity of language.
See. What we say, like the government job or the central job, are known as the the prestigious one. Do you agree with me? Even
Yeah.
though if I take one private job, whereas I'm earning 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs per month,
Are you agree?
whereas,
Many people always send his kids in English medium school. They never want
okay,
to.
but
Uh,
at the end of the day, they want to see their child to work in central government. They don't want how many,
I don't want
like,
to believe. I don't want to vilify the native languages, mother tongue. I always
no.
praise
See,
the English language. Simultaneously, I
obviously,
respect
okay.
the mother tongue. But matter is that is it possible completely you left the English? Is it possible?
No, see, completely, it's not at all possible to
Yeah.
live any particular
So
language if you are in a region.
I am
See,
telling
in India, if you
from
are,
the
and only with English you
earlier.
can't survive. In
Yeah.
only with English, if you say I can survive only with English, so it's not at all possible. Even if you go to Russia, if you say I can survive only with English, you can't. So you have to be a bilingual or multilingual. That is a matter, but only English can serve you everything. So it is only the limited thing. Only in US you can survive. Whereas if you go to some other countries, let's say Netherlands or even Switzerland, okay, or any other place, so over there only one language as English can't help you.
If you want
Yeah.
vival, if you want vival in your field, then you need to learn with others whiling,
Mhm.
learn to English.
So English is only a language, but we
No,
can't
it's
say that
right now not
with,
only English is not only English is a language.
but
It's a
without English,
no, it's not
the
only language.
survival is
It's a weapon of communication.
okay. As you said, that's okay. That's the
And
weapon.
if you are
Again, again,
if you
again, come.
want to fight with the entire world uh,
Mhm.
with your knowledge, then you can't survive without your weapon. And
Okay. See, again, let's come to the same point of, let's say, the weapon thing, as you said, even obviously, so in order to, in terms of words, at the same time, in terms of bio and the other things, so who are the best technology, which country has the best technology in terms of equipment and the
yeah, yeah.
weapons and the other, that it's not
So
US.
problem is that original language has own structure, but English has no limits. This is the fundamental.
uh, there are many loopholes in English, if you ask me.
Uh, I don't know. I don't know how you find the loopholes. So language
See,
has never loopholes.
in terms of, let's say,
It's depends on you how you tackle the language. It's language
yes,
is language, but
no,
it's
if there were,
when it's related to your livelihoods. then its importance has
See, so
just turned
only
over.
livelihood, but when it comes to the success,
No, no,
okay,
no. I
when it
am
comes to
telling
the
about the
success,
only market policy and only talking about only for the livelihood or for the success or your business, anything. But when you
so
reach a,
you can be
when
better,
you
you can be
talking
paid
to your
better.
friend, when you're talking to your friend and mother and your parent, no need to use English. Use mother tongue, mother language. But when you're talking about your client, your boss, that time, if you can talk in English, it will be better for your nation, and you also you can show
Let's
your
say if you are
potential.
sad, for example, let's say if you are sad, for example, and your colleague, okay, this is the situation of your colleague comes, and let's say it's a very emotional factor, emotional thing, obviously. So in which language he will assuage you, in which language he will pacify you?
For my colleague, it's recondite to just
No,
convince me,
no,
and
no. So in which
it's
language
not
he has to?
easier. It's not easier. I never want to just got the sympathy with my colleagues. I always believe my friend, my family, because colleague always like a rival. So it's very, very, very recondite.
Let's say if your boss, he's from, let's say some Bengal belt or like Bangla belt, or let's say from UP belt somewhere, your VC might. Okay. So when it comes and when the situation is so
If you
emotional
know
that,
English, you can serve pristine approach, crystal approach. You can serve.
always if someone is in the emotional thing, so always they uh, seek those people who can soothe them in their language. This is a psychology itself, it's not me. Okay, let's say if you feel so emotional, or you are in a situation where um, might be there might be any reason like due to which you're so sad or something. Whereas if I just start soothing you in English, so at that particular time, always you will not get that support, the emotional support in English. Whereas let's say if you are the Hindi speakers, obviously you will a bonding will start developing, and with that your emotional things, like all the wounds, your emotional wounds, they will get start feeling. Okay. So these are the things. So it's not only about the livelihood. There are many psychiatrists, if you go with. So they always don't treat on the basis, even the doctors. So they don't treat on the basis of English. They always go with something called what you understand and how you can serve. Again, when you go with the livelihood, so there is even the live movie, if you might have seen the VIP 2. In that, the person who is an engineer, he explains the thing in Hindi, and there is the actress, she explains the things in English, whereas the tender goes only to the Hindi speaker. Why? The reason is that that person who is the like minister or whatever, he understands Hindi very well. So it's always matter that what the other person is able to understand. You just try to speak. If he is able to understand in Malayalam, so you have to speak in Malayalam. Whereas if you'll try to speak in English, so obviously you may not get the desired thing. So it's not the matter that your livelihood will only depend on English. No, it can be any language. Let's say if I go to let's say Telangana, for example. So here, if you know better Telugu, so you will not be cheated. Okay, or if you know like the regional factor, it matters a lot. But if you know English, and if you say to the auto driver, but yeah, like what is the brother, what's the charge of this, so obviously he'll something will come into his mind, okay, he is not the person from here, so let us cheat him. Whereas if you know that, okay, what is the cost in the regional language, if you can say, so obviously he'll have the feeling that, okay, he is our person, and he knows the thing, and I can't cheat him, and even the bonding easily you can develop. Whereas if you'll just use English, so you can't develop the bonding with that regional person. And to develop a business, sorry, you are on mute.
But when you learn more and more English and command over the English, that time you feel uh, you just realize that time overcome by lassitude, similar like that time you will feel. So it's a like a endless topic. So similar to, if I said you, uh, you need to pick who loves more you, your mother or father. So similar things uh, happen in during that conversation. It's very difficult to pick and beat between the English and the regional language. So
Yes.
in my
That's what I meant to say. Like
yeah,
obviously, so even
but
we
in
both
my
come to the same
opinion,
point.
it's
Yeah.
my opinion, always father importance for the livelihood and mother importance for the affection, and she arrange the home. Without mother and woman, we can't realize about the home and family. So similar thing, English is the most important for the our livelihood, for our betterment, for our success, for our uh, if I want to eminent personality in our my field, then we must need to learn English. And when I reached home, that time I need to pronounce, and that time I speak appropriate mother language. So there is no discussion and debate between both topic. So, but English has upper hand for the livelihood. Without bread and butter, no one can survive.
See, obviously, so and I too like say that okay, English it has, but it's not only the English that can give you bread and butter. It's always like something that you have to have the other factor. Like only the right hand can't help you to achieve the things. Even you have to have the left hand as well. Okay, only the right leg can't help you. At the same time, the right brain. So for something like it always take two to quarrel. Okay, so it always we require two hands to clap, because with one hand you can't. In the same way, only with the help of English it's not at all possible that you can get achieve the success. Or because it's not only you will only speak to the professionals and here and there. Even I too agree, as you said, the livelihood factor, but only with one language as English, if you say that I can achieve everything. So that's not to an extent it might be. Whereas in case of India, even so,
Yeah, yeah.
here like we'll just go with our concluding remarks that everything it has its own importance, and that we need to agree upon, and we need to respect all the languages
Yeah,
across the
yeah,
world.
and no,
And
matter is that no one will be attracted by his beautiful creation. Always need to use mild speech and mild tone in any language. Then you feel saccharine in your behavior, in your atmosphere.
so it's always we have to try to express instead of impress.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, so that's good. Okay, so thanks a lot, Mr. Narendra, and for
Okay.
joining the
Thank you very
discussion
much.
on this.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Thank you. Thank you too much.